What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm unboxing the Hisense 65H8F 4K TV. This TV was really cheap. I literally paid like $5 and change for this TV. It's replacing my Sony's 4K TV, a Sony XBR 55-inch. I bought this at the end of 2017, and that TV was really expensive. I paid nearly $1,200 for that TV, and it didn't even last a full 2 years. So I'm very disappointed in that. But anyway, I'm gonna let you guys see the unboxing, of the TV. This is not the latest model. I believe there's a model or two ahead of this one, but I was very surprised by this TV, and I'm gonna tell you guys my like and dislike about this TV, but most of all, I'm very surprised. I was happy that I got the TV, and anyway, I'll let you guys watch the unboxing. There's a little bit of setup, and I'm gonna come back at the end of the video and just literally just tell you guys what I think about the TV, my likes and dislike about the TV. Back with this is basically my opinion about the Hisense 65H8F. I believe that's the model number. Like I said, I was going to be back, but like I said, I was very surprised at how good this TV was for the price. And I paid like $5 and change. Like I said, like I don't know exact, but I think like $5.46 or something like that. But I was like I said, surprised at how cheap the TV was. First thing is the price. Price is very good. That's a little like less than how much I paid for my Sony TV. You know, because a lot of times we think, oh, if you buy the best brand, that means the TVs or that product is gonna last longer. And sometimes that's the case, sometimes that's not the case. And in my situation, that was not the case. So like I said, I bought the Sony TV end of 2017, and the TV broke at the beginning of 2020. Like I said, I mean, the TV has some power issue. After a while, turning on the TV, sometimes it won't show any picture, and sometimes it takes like so long just to boot up. At first I thought it was just because it was an Android TV as well as this Hisense TV. At first I thought, since it's running Android, because Android running on television is still at, you know, the earlier stages, where it's kind of like having Android on cell phones at the beginning of 2008, 2009. It was very slow, very laggy, but over time it got better. So anyway, to make a long story short, I thought that was the issue, but it was not. So eventually the TV didn't last long, and like I said, started having a power issue. I plugged in the TV, power it on. I did all kinds of troubleshooting issue. Went on Sony website, did everything I could to save that TV. I couldn't save it. So, and it costs more to repair the TV than what the TV is actually worth. So I just ended up throwing it out and buying the Hisense TV. So my first impression with the Hisense 65-inch 4K TV was, like I said, the first thing was the price. The quality of the TV, the hardware. Let's just talk about the hardware. The material was not so great because it's a cheap TV. I don't know if I had a defective model, but when I was setting up the TV and I looked closely at the, you know, where the bezel meets the top of the TV meets like the black, the little, because the TV is very thin, where it meets the actual plastic top, there's like a little gap there. I don't know if anybody else experienced that issue, but there was a little gap. You know, it was hard not to notice. You won't notice it if you're sitting away, like, you know, on a couch watching the TV. But if you're close, like up close like this, you notice. Like if you're that close to it, you know, you notice. But that was one thing I didn't like about the TV. The picture quality was good. It was very good. Actually, for the price, the picture quality was good. You know, I had to, you know, do some color calibration and setup and stuff like that to get the color settings to what I really wanted, you know, what I really liked. And after I did that, gaming on the TV and stuff, watching movies and stuff like that, YouTube videos, it was very engaging. It was very good. Like, even compared to the Sony TV, I was like, yo, I've been wasting money all these years just buying these expensive brand of TVs, and they're crap. They're not that great. But anyway, like I said, the price was good. The picture quality was good. The only thing I didn't like was the hardware, because with anything this, I'm pretty sure this TV, if it falls, like, or whatever, it's gonna break easily. So that's one thing. I mean, that's the price you got to pay, because you pay, you know, $500 with the Sony TV. I don't think I would have had that issue because I didn't have any hardware issue. The TV was solid, well built, no issue. But like I said, I love this TV. I really enjoyed using it. I didn't really have much issue except for some minor hiccups here and there because it's running Android, you know. So there's a limitation that comes with having Android on a television because it's still, like I said, at the earliest stages. You know, even with the Sony was also a Android TV as well. So after having that, like, I will have some issues too. I had some issues with the Sony with because it was running Android as well. But anyway, just to make this video short, like I said, I really enjoy this TV. I'm happy that I paid what, $5 and change instead of paying $1,000 and change. But it was not much different from the Sony except for the hardware, the build, because it was like completely plastic. But anyway, if you took the time to watch this video, I appreciate you. Do me a favor, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.